My Zesty lemon bars are an absolute crowd favourite, and when using the Electrolux steam oven, they cook in half the time of a traditional oven and get a beautiful consistency all the way through. This recipe is so simple, there's only 2 elements. We have our shortbread base and our Cheats lemon curd. So while that's in the oven, we're going to get onto our curd. Now this is a bit of a Cheats curd because unlike a traditional curd, we're not using copious amounts of butter to help set it. We're using a little bit of plain flour. Now we're just going to finish this with a little bit of icing sugar. And that's it. Which only leaves one more thing to do. Have a taste. Oh my gosh, so good. So there you have it, super easy lemon bars that you can make during the week, beautifully consistent with the help of steam.